In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix user not logged in Among Us. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow my steps. So, first of all, I will point out that if you use iPhone or Android, it's the same simple process. So, the first thing you can do is swipe right here the notifications tab. And when you do that, you'll be able to see some informations about your device right here. As you can see, you'll be able to check Wi-Fi, mute, Bluetooth, and much more. If you want to fix that, first thing you can do is switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data. So you can switch to try to fix that. If you keep having problems with that, you can restart your router, your Wi-Fi router, and your smartphone. Another thing you can do, you can open your Play Store or your Apple Store, and you'll be able to see the home page right here. In my case, I use Android, I can see games, apps, books, and much more. So, you can locate the search bar right here and search for Among Us. And you'll be able to see the Among Us right here, the first one icon. You can click there. After doing that, you'll be able to check the official page of Among Us in the official site of Play Store. So you can check right here, you appear right here, the update button to update your app. So you can make that, but if you still having issues with that, you can open your settings app on your devs. After doing that, you'll be able to check the settings menu of your smartphone. So you can click right here in the search bar and search for Among Us and click to search for it. After doing that, you'll be able to check the Among Us right here at the app section. You can click there. Now you'll be able to see the informations about Among Us app in your devs. If you swipe your screen to the bottom, you'll be able to see this user section here. You can click in the storage one. After doing that, you'll be able to see this page. So, to try to fix your problem, you can click in clear data or clear cache to do that. If you do that, your problem will be fixed. So, until the moment I record this video, that's the only way to do that. You can fix your problem by doing those methods I showed you before. I hope I helped you in how to fix user not logged in Among Us. If this video helped you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you for watching.